Hi guys, hope you all are doing good and also subscribe to my channel and watched all the episodes of ABC Trek. So it's 6:45 a.m. in Himalaya and we have just started our trek. It's our day 4 today of the ABC Trek and we are planning to go to Devrali and then MBC and then ABC. So we are on our way and about to reach Devrali, and so yes, we have reached Devrali and this is the view we are able to see from Devrali. It was just gorgeous. Hello. Hey Daniel. So I'm gonna be offloading my backpack here because the trail is really tough and I was not able to walk with my backpack. So we had breakfast and offloaded our stuff and started walking towards MBC. So guys, please remember that you do some physical activity like running, trekking or hiking to shorter trails or some mountains before you come to ABC Trek, because mountain sickness and higher altitudes can make you really sick. So guys, the trail from Devrali to MBC is incredible. As you see the backdrop, it's just mesmerizing, and we didn't record much of the videos since we had fear of avalanche and we didn't want to risk it, but we've recorded a lot while coming back, so I'll show you. Please watch it till the end. And this was the point where I was like, no, I cannot walk further. I was so tired, I was so sick, and I took some pills, energy bars, and drank some water, and I was in a condition like, I cannot walk further. You guys please go ahead. I'm not going. And my friends were like laughing and somehow inspired me and encouraged me to walk further, and thanks to them, because of them I was able to walk and finally reached MBC, which is Machu Picchu base camp. I was in such a bad shape. I was like, no, I can. Let's just stay at MBC and start ABC tomorrow. But thanks to Lisa and Daniel, they were like encouraging us so much. No, no, we'll go together. We'll walk together, and we'll go So good, guys, I cannot explain. And also we saw the sunrise happening behind the fishtail. It was so incredible, and we had so much fun while going back from ABC. So this is the view right now, and the sun is coming and it's looking so incredible. It's wonderful. Let's move.
Yeah, snow will definitely be there.
Yeah. Here comes one of my most favorite shot from ABC. This picture is very close to my heart, and there is a story behind this. So when we were leaving Annapurna base camp, this fluffy creature, he joined us on our way back, and I really wanted to get a photo with him, but unfortunately, like, he just slipped away, and I couldn't find him. But after some time, he just came to me suddenly and cuddled me, like, he knows me so well. And that's how these photos were shot. I was not really making a pose or something like that, but it just happened randomly. So we just crossed MBC, which is Macha Pachare base camp, and we are taking the same trail. The only difference is, like, now it's a descent, so it's quite easy. So we're just moving ahead, and we gonna stop at Himalaya for lunch, and then we'll start walking again to Bamboo. So let's go. So guys, as you see, the view is so incredible, and we don't want to literally leave this place, but then yeah, of course, all the good things come to end, and that's so true. So we are just going down, and since we are still in the Himalayan ranges, we still, the feeling is quite alive.
Achtung Daniel, Gletscher Spartan.
Oh, so that's a glacier hole, which is called in German Gletscherspalten. Oh my God, I don't know, but Avinash learned it very well. So that's the view which we were able to see, and we are actually before Devrali right now, and so we have just stopped here for some shots because this place is really beautiful, and it's really pretty. As you see here, like, the water, the river, it's so crystal clear, and the mountain ranges, it's absolutely a bliss to be here at this time. So let's just explore a little more, and we'll then plan to leave. So okay, this is something which I wanted to do, and this is done by people in the Himalayan ranges. It is called a symbol of religion in the Himalayas. So you make these from the stones, and I was just trying my hands on this, and unfortunately it was just falling off the top stones, but let me show you some magic and tricks, and I was able to do it. So yep, so this is the top second stone, and this is the final one, and this is my final creation. So guys, what do you think about this one? It's time for some photo shoot, and just gaze these mountains, these these massive Himalayan ranges and get sun-kissed and just meditate near this river. It was such an incredible sight. We didn't want to leave. We spent most of our time while coming from ABC to Bamboo that was here. So we spent quite a good time here. And we literally made really good friends, and this is the gang.
Here is the avalanche zone. I think we are almost walking.
We are very close to Devrali. So this is a river which we need to cross, and then after this we'll reach Devrali. So guys, you might find these blue marks at a few places if the original trail is blocked due to avalanche or something. So make sure you check that and follow that accordingly. And also you can find some marks by the fellow trekkers if it's snowing heavily in the snow regions. You should just look at that. So we have almost reached Devrali, and we are going to take our bags from here, which we had offloaded while going to ABC. As we left Devrali, we came across this cave which is called Hinku Cave. It's a very old cave and used to be a landmark for trekkers in Annapurna Conservation Area. It's said that trekkers used to spend their nights as well here sometimes. So after seeing the cave, we started heading towards Himalaya, and it took almost 30 minutes to reach Himalayas. And this is a helipad, and just wanted to tell you guys, so the rescue operations are available in ABC and MBC and Himalaya. So in case if you're unwell or if something happened to you, the rescue can be called and they can take you by helicopters. So now we're gonna have quick brunch and then we'll start heading towards Bamboo. So the weather is quite rainy today, and I didn't had a raincoat, so I kind of arranged it from the tea house in Himalaya, this plastic cover, and with this we started heading and following the same trail for Bamboo. So we stopped here for water and then just filled our water bottles, and Himalayan waters are quite clear, but still if you want to purify it to be on safer side, you can have a Steripane. Hello. So as you see, I'm showing something related to Bamboo. So guess what? We are in Bamboo. We have reached Bamboo, and I noticed this very unique style of growing vegetables, and I thought of capturing this to show you guys. So something which was very special about our ABC trek is the friendship which we formed, and we started trekking as 2 people, and then we came back as a group of 10 people all together. It is such an incredible feeling. With this, we wrapped our night in Bamboo Village and slept off for the final adventure of Annapurna Base Camp trek, wherein we soaked ourselves in hot springs of Jinudanda. So guys, please stay tuned and stay safe, and see you again.